award for innovation goes to City Welding.
Here we have our centralized gas distribution center. So in our main shop, we've eliminated all of our bottles, and that's very important. Brings the old school work ethic, work hard, and it's been the cornerstone of the business. When 10 of your top clients are also your 10 top competitors, that for us that speaks volumes. We have the equipment, and we know how to work under pressure.
The challenge is a good part of going home at night and feeling happy. Like the easier stuff, like anybody can do it, but the harder stuff, you got to apply yourself more to it, and it's more fun, really.
It tells you it's going to be done right, or he's going to find you the solution that keeps breaking down this piece of equipment, and you can pick it up tomorrow at 7 a.m. If he's got to stay here overnight, my father's best asset is solving the problems, and I think for me it's been, a little bit of spit shine, following the rules, knowing the paperwork. Like I said, it's the easiest way he was raised on the farm. It's old school work ethic, man. Get up and get at it.